Hey everyone, and welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. And if you live here in the Bucks County, Montgomery County area, here in southeast Pennsylvania, and you're finding us here for the first time, either on our YouTube channel or on our website, then welcome to Turner Mobile Detailing. In this video, I'm going to take you in on a quick inside look on wheel ceramic coatings and the particular product that we use here at Turner Mobile Detailing, System X wheel. Stay tuned. So like I said at the outset of this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at System X wheel, the benefits of having a ceramic coating on your wheels, what kinds of wheels are best to be ceramic coated, if not all of them, and also the expectations of not only this product, System X wheel, but also other ceramic coatings that are specifically designed for wheels, and why we feel here at Turner Mobile Detailing that System X wheel is the absolute best option. Now the first step, as always, is to thoroughly clean and prep the wheel and tire. Now obviously the ceramic coating is not going to go on the tire itself, but it's good to clean both the wheel and the tire while you're there. I thoroughly clean the wheel face, inside the spokes, inside the lug nut recesses, as well as inside the wheel barrel. And then once the wheel and tire have been completely scrubbed, then a nice clean rinse. And then a nice thorough drying process using a high quality microfiber drying towel as well as forced air. Now that the wheel and tire are completely clean and dry, it's time to prep the wheel for the ceramic coating. For this process, I like to use the same prep product as I use for the paint of the vehicle. CarPro Eraser is going to make sure there's nothing at all left on the surface, no dirt, grime, or even any residue left over from the cleaning process. So now that I've got a perfectly clean and virgin surface to apply the ceramic coating on, it's time to actually apply the ceramic coating System X wheel. So first I'm applying the product thoroughly and evenly in all the nooks and crannies of the wheel, the face, inside the spokes, inside the lug nut recesses, especially the lug nut recesses because that's where brake dust loves to accumulate and it's very difficult to clean out of there. Now the wheel ceramic coating service can be purchased either a la carte or it automatically comes with most of our exterior or full vehicle ceramic coating packages. And typically the customers that purchase this product, especially a la carte, are ones that have a brand new vehicle and they have black wheels, either black gloss or black matte, and they know that the wheels are the most difficult part on the whole vehicle to keep clean and looking nice, and especially with black that shows everything. They want to make sure the wheels are protected long-term, not just from road grime, brake dust, and UV damage, but they also want the ceramic coating self-cleaning properties so that the black wheels stay looking nicer longer between cleanings. Now ceramic coating your wheels is also good for chrome wheels, aluminum alloy wheels, silver painted wheels, really for the same reasons, because it'll keep your wheel looking nicer longer between cleanings. And of course, just like any surface a ceramic coating is applied to, it'll help protect against road grime, brake dust, and UV damage, which especially on black wheels can severely erode the finish faster than anything else. Now, of course, there are other ceramic coating products on the market. Most of them only promise about 1 to 2 years of longevity. A System X wheel promises about 3 years of longevity, of course with proper regular maintenance. Now, just because you're getting a ceramic coating on your wheels does not mean you never need to clean them. Just like a ceramic coating on any other part of your car. You need to maintain it, you need to wash it, you need to clean it on a regular basis. The only difference is that when you have a ceramic coating, especially a high quality ceramic coating like System X wheel, you just need to clean them less often. And then once the coating has had a chance to flash, I'm going to do an initial buff that's going to remove the first part of the coating, about 95 to 100% of the coating, and then I'm going to come back in right after for a second buff to produce a super high gloss protective shine. Okay, so this wheel is all done. As you can see, the wheel has a beautiful high gloss, deep black, rich finish. Really accentuates the black gloss. If you have black matte wheels, it'll really accentuate and deepen the matte finish of your wheels. Now, like I said before, most of our clients that have their wheels ceramic coated have brand new vehicles, so the wheels are already in pristine condition. However, if you do not have a brand new vehicle and your wheels are looking a little worse for the wear and the finish on them needs to be corrected, especially if you've got black gloss wheels that show everything, including micro scratches and swirling, then you might want to think about having the surface paint corrected. Don't worry, we do that too for an additional charge. It is custom pricing for paint correcting wheels because every wheel has a unique size and design. Some are more intricate, some are more simple, so each one is going to require more or less time, effort, and product. But feel free to reach out for pricing, for availability. You can log on to Turner Mobile Detailing /ceramic coatings, where you can find links and buttons to all our ceramic coating services. Just click on the button for standalone ceramic coating services. That will give you pricing for our wheel ceramic coating package if that's all you'd like to purchase and nothing else. You can also give us a call or text or email. All of our contact information is in the description of this video below. Or if you're on our website, just click on that contact link in the menu bar above. So again, if you're in the Bucks County or Montgomery County areas here in southeastern Pennsylvania and you are looking for ceramic coating services, and in this case specifically wheel ceramic coating services, then please don't hesitate to reach out using any of the aforementioned contact information. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.